Yes, I am aware I look like trash. And that's why today we're gonna fix that. So today I'll be showing you how to catfish literally everyone on the internet. Not in real life. Sorry then. No fixing this in real life. But through Zoom, on the internet, anything goes. So this is embarrassing, but I froze the tea bag. I don't know what this does. So then I got ice because I know that tightens your face and I guess wakes you up. However, that ice melted very quickly. So yeah, that ice basically melted immediately and got all over my clothes. So now I'm taking e.l.f.'s facial oil, applying that all over my face to ensure that my makeup is very glowy and not dry because I have an issue with dry skin when it comes to makeup. And to further sculpt your face, you should massage your face very thoroughly, of course with clean hands. And yes, I am aware, I have a red mustache basically. I just have an issue with redness around the area. But yeah, so digging deep with them hands. I'm so sorry for that phrase, oh my god. So now on to lip care. I am taking Fenty's like exfoliation lipstick thingy. Don't know what it's called. And immediately after that, you have to apply lip balm. I cannot stress this enough. I know y'all lips are dry, it's winter. And if you want any hope of your lips looking big, you need lip balm. And now on to the actual makeup portion. I'm starting with e.l.f.'s CBD primer, whatever it's called. And I never use primers. This is new to me. Don't really know if it made a difference, but it feels nice. And then we're going to conceal literally everything. Girl, you'll do. At least for me, I need so much concealer to look half decent. And I'm also trying that thing where I try to cover my eyebrows, but did not work whatsoever. But yeah, apply concealer literally everywhere. And I don't know if this is wrong or anything, but I literally use my hand to blend everything. Next, I take a very low coverage foundation. What the fuck? Oh my god, what is it called? What is it called? What is it called? I don't know why I second guess myself. This is embarrassing. I can confirm it is foundation. And now on to the most important part, contour. So you're going to contour your jaw, cheeks, your forehead, and your nose. And make sure this is a liquid contour for now. And then I'm going to set everything that I have with setting powder, which is a blessing for anyone with oily skin. And so now you're going to want to add powder contour to your already contoured areas just to really define them and make your face look skinnier. So first I start out with a really subtle colored contour, and then following that I darken up the darker areas with a darker contour. As for blush, of course you can go with whatever color or tone you want. Just be sure to apply it only to the top of your cheeks, basically where you'd put highlighter, and this will make your face look more chiseled and I guess longer. And on to brows. Brows are a really important feature because the way you shape your brows, I guess, sets the tone for your face. Yes, because our face is a book. But basically, I tried to go for that cat eye type or the fox thingy. I failed. But you should still go with however you feel comfortable doing your eyebrows and what suits you the best. For eyeshadow, definitely go with a look that complements your skin tone. So I use golden like a shimmery look. Nothing too crazy, you want to go simple on this. Define the edges, and basically it creates like a guideline for your eyeliner, which is important for this look. Your eyeliner should be outwards rather than upwards to create more of a natural facelift type look. And I think brown eyeliner would look amazing too. With a brown pencil, you should go under your eyelashes and create a sort of shadow to make them look longer. I did my mascara off screen because it's a pretty simple procedure, but I think falsies would look amazing. I just don't have them. And so for highlighter, you're going to want to focus that on your nose to make it look skinnier, but of course apply it wherever else you'd like. Lips. They are arguably the most important part of this look, So I contoured them with that same brown pencil. I know that's kind of gross. And then I mixed together 2 colors. Of course, you gotta go over your lip line. And then I topped it off with gloss, and we are finished.
Try again.